Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. GatFest to spotlight 16 Jamaican films at Palace Cineplex in Kingston. This weekend, Jamaica's premier community film event, GatFest, will showcase a record-breaking number of Jamaican films, highlighting the vibrant growth of local filmmaking. E-Prime spoke with festival director Savannah Peridot on this year's staging.
It's our biggest Jamaican film night because we've never had this many Jamaican films before, and we usually have a block, 2 blocks that are like an hour long, but this time we have like 2 blocks that are almost 2 hours long. So we have way more Jamaican films, and we're so excited about that because we have actually seen where the film industry has grown so much and people are making so many more Jamaican films.
Award-winning writer and director Caleb D'Aguilar shared with E-Prime on his film Sunshine.
It's a story about grief. It's about a mother trying to give her son the best birthday possible, but when an intruder tries to break into her house, she tries to protect her son. But as the film progresses, you realize that there's more to the story than you think. And so I like to say it's a story about grief and a mother's love for her child.
The film is also nominated for several awards in this year's GatFest award show.
Some of the awards are Best Director, Best Performance by Kimberly Morris, who's the lead actress in my film, who I really want her to win that one. And Best Film in GatFest, including a few others.
This year's edition marks the festival's most ambitious and diverse lineup yet, featuring 34 films from 13 countries. Sweet Energy Fitness launched glow-themed Sweat Fete to power up charity goals. Glow-in-the-dark attire, sweat, high entertainment and energy. That was the mode of operation last evening at Hyundai Jamaica for the media launch of Sweet Energy Fitness.
It's pretty much a collaboration of dance aerobics, dancing, fun, from then till now, gospel, and we start the launch today. Saturday we do a boot camp, and then we're going to bring everything into the 28th of June, which is at Jesse Ripple Primary School.
The annual event, which is in its 9th staging, is glowing with purpose to raise funds to rehabilitate the Santos FC football field in Vineyard Town.
You know, the most important part of the football club is, of course, the football field. We try to play like the Brazilians, and so in order to do that, we have to have a very good surface, and that's something that we've been striving to achieve, and we believe that with Jamaica's contribution, and of course with the leadership and the partnership with Sweet Energy, we believe that Sweat Fete and the Raise the Hand Foundation will definitely help out in a very positive way.
Marketing and Promotion Officer at Magna Motors Limited, Cassia Wright, shared on their support behind the initiative.
At Hyundai, we're big on family, and the director of Sweet Energy Fitness has been a part of the Hyundai family for almost 10 years. I'd say 7, but we've been around for 10 years, and of those 10 years, he's been around for 7, from Tucson to Tucson to Tucson. So when he approached us, it was the right thing to do. You know, family helps family. So we had to just jump on board when it came onto this initiative because we're also big on health and wellness.
The event is slated for later this month at the Jesse Ripple Primary School. That's it for your weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.